Can you see the sun? It rises every morning and shines every day, while it sets in the evening. But the next day, it rises again to present a beautiful morning. Nandini, why doesn't our life has a similar destiny? Why does the light in our lives always seem to disappear? I am desperate for a life to have a joyful beginning.
Maybe we have chosen the wrong path, Kunal, where there's no hope. There's only a never-ending sadness, where nothing is in our control. We just need to carry on, just the way it is.
No, Nandini. Even though there seems to be no light, but we can definitely drive out the darkness. I won't abandon Molly and the baby. I will take care of them wholeheartedly. But I don't need to stay with them, right? The child needs his father, right? I will be the world's best dad, Nandini. And when that child would